Ma, hey nina. Amandla eninawo ka TikTok. What you did to Usibusiso Mhlongo. Ha. Like the guy who commented after Ilokunja abantu they were writing comments of Ulokunja uCwece, justice for Cwece. What you did, Usibusiso Mhlongo was one of people who were against yonke lento le eyenzakala ku TikTok yokuthi kulisane nayo yonke le sexual abuse, especially einganeni. Then he wrote a comment ebithi she got what she deserve. Into enjalo. Ngithi email angene eDUT emva kwaleyo comment ngumfundi wabo because le nto ibhalwe umfundi owenza ilaw. Comment hawema abantu besuggesta khona ukuthi kumele axoshwe abhenwe kuwo wonke institutions ase South Africa, like each and every person obediniwe ubebhala email to iDUT. Hawema weshembo ncwele abanye babhalela management administration. Yeyi wena yoyini, did you check that South Africa in a power? Ngithe jikijiki ngibona umfana abantu ngala useyaxolisa into kanjalo. South Africa. Hey, you guys should be wise. Whatever into ozoyibhala kwi-comment section, make sure people are not gonna come for you. Especially if you feel like you have a negative comment, a comment that is against what people are thinking. Because what is happening? Guys, like wabambona umuntu eyidonsela amanzi ngomsele engazi ukuthi lento ayenza izomholela ophathe. Ngoba i-comment guys ebiyamagama angedlule ngisho kusikisi isimenze. I'm not sure if iDUT has taken the decision ukuthi imxoshe, but isiyenze ukuthi isiraise ama-concern kubantu ukuthi uSibusiso akekho nje like kwi-environment abantu abekho safe eduze kwakhe, because what a horrible person he is. What a horrible person he is. I-atmosphere enesibungu Mhlongo edu ayikho right. Hayibo, yaza senkingeni umfana wabantu and usenkingeni. Inkinga ke la ifake kuyo yinkinga because wema yabona njengoba silokhu engenile mfethu ama-email abantu abhaliwe mongcwele abhaliwe you guys. Haw ngiyayiqala into nje ngilokhu ngibabazile shembe, yazi ngilokhu ngibabazile. Wema South Africa is powerful. South Africa is very powerful. Hey, ngiyanesaba eningizimu Afrika, ngiyanesaba ngiyanizwa ha.
Mfana ligama lakhe akunguSibusiso waKaMhlongo, umfundzi walapha eDUT lo wenda ilaw. Ubhale lapha ku Facebook abhala ukuthi awuqweqwe God what she deserved. Yakhuluma nje ngokuthi if nini nimanto batana niqwate netifishane nifuna ukuthi kwendakaleni vele abantu ngeke baze bahlale abanganidlwengula. Ubhale ayendo libi ngendlela lesimanga, ebhala lapha ku Facebook abhekise ebantwini labaloku balwela i-justice for uqweqwe. Abazange bamekele guys abantu. Uyabona one thing about la Mzansi guys, mabathendo bayithatha serious abadlali, so you shouldn't make a joke about the incident ebuhlungu ngale ndlela lesimanga. Bantu bafuna justice for umntwana lomncane lona 7 years lodlengulu lesikolweni, and when you are making fun of that, so bantu babhale ama-email bawabhekisa lapha esikoleni sakhe e-DUT babatshela ukuthi mfundzi wenu leli gama lakhe kunguSibusiso Mhlongo bayibeka indzaba njengoba injalo, babhala ama-email babhalela ama-admin guys ngithi kushubile bathi nje sifuna ukuthi nimdirejiste lapha esikoleni nimkhiphe, asifuni futhi ukuthi asebende ku-any institution or efundza ku-any institution because uyakhombisa ukuthi ungumdlwenguli ingqondo yakhe futhi ayihlutekanga, uyakhombisa nje ukuthi ungumuntu alonjani. Uzamile ke ukuxolisa lapha kuma-social media platforms asho ukuthi uyaxolisa but unfortunately bantu abafuni nje kuyiva indzaba yakhe guys. Into lefana neli-Tuxedo nje into tokudlala, into lefana nalena futhi ngakumoshela impilo yakho. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I'm signing out. Goodbye.